There is another piece that we can use when there is something that we're wanting to craft, create for ourselves, and frustration comes up or fear comes up. And in the moment, we're not going to so much bring in a protocol, it's more the steps. In the moment when you feel the fear of, if I can't pull this off, if I can't manifest, if something doesn't open up, or frustration, why hasn't this happened? When you have either the fear or the frustration or both, think of it almost as fuel, like a wave of energy, and use the frustration and the fear to actually be the wave pushing you deep in, 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 into your line of light, into your line of light, body David, into your line of light, teams, into your lines of light. You're getting pushed deeper in, deeper in, deeper in, into this inner river of light. And again, you're conjuring the fear, you're conjuring the frustration, you're using it like a wave of energy to push you in, into your line of light. You can also use the anxiety too, or the depression, because those emotions can also come up when we haven't manifested that which we desire. So start thinking about the frustration, the fear, the anxiety, the depression, even the unworthiness, like a wave of energy that has the ability to push you into your line of light and move you into a deeper state of connection with your essence, with your wisdom, with your power, with your mastery, with your gifts. Also use those emotions, have body Deva push deep into its divine line that runs through the spine, the spinal cord. And this it's not, again, a protocol, it's more a conjuring and an intending of the moment you feel the emotion. Literally imagine it like a wave of energy and use that wave of energy to push into your line. And then you use your inhale to get into your line even more deeply. And then as soon as you've pushed in as much as some part of you wants to, then you're going to feel the peace. The emotions will dissolve. You have used the fuel appropriately. So the moment you hit the peace, you're done, you're complete, update your grids, all your reference points. So that is a very powerful practice that you can use when those emotions arise.